There's excitement in the chase, this I know.
Hello everyone, and how are you doing? Let me know in the comment section below what you'll be doing for yourself on Christmas Day. Now let's get into the video. Since Christmas is around the corner, there's no other place than to have a wonderful Christmas shopping other than in Ikea. So in this video, I'm going to show you around in Ikea. Let's find out what's new, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So we're now in Ikea, just checking around. A little nice deck table. I doubt if this is working. No, it's not. It's just like a sample. What attracted me is this little nice lamp. It's cool. 17 pounds. Really nice. Oh, looking lovely. Christmas is here. For you guys out there looking for Christmas ideas, I think I could do some bureaus in this place, huh? What do you think? I really love this setting. This is beautiful. Like, whew. Christmas is here. Christmas is here. So nice. I love Ikea. I just love the way they do their settings. Got some nice baby Christmas stuff here, guys. Look at this, so beautiful. I feel like a child now. This is 60 pounds and it's dimmable. Wow. Just look at that. Another nice Christmas idea. Balcony. Just love this.
Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Just £10. No way. Some nice office idea. It's one of my favorite places in Ikea. £150. And look at this light, guys. This is like £19. Touch it, changes color. Sometimes you just need that perfect pillow, that perfect size. Just gonna get some new towels and that's it.
So that's it, guys. That's the end of the vlog, and let me know your thoughts on every section I showed you: the Christmas section, the men's closet, the women's closet, and what else I can't remember. But let me know your thoughts on those beautiful looking dark scene, dark offices, which is nice, the vibrant colors, which is so amazing. I see you in the next video. Bye.